Insulin 101.
Dinner's ready.
Time for a shot.
Okay, do it.
Wow, good behavior today.
This is the medicine I just took out. Already 30 minutes out.
Wait, will using insulin too often lead to addiction?
Grandma, don't worry. Our bodies need insulin just like we need food every day. Have you heard of anyone getting addicted to eating?
Mom, the color is weird. Why is it all white?
Don't worry, let me have a look. Mom, this medicine is wrong. Lila should be given insulin aspart, but this one is insulin aspart 30. Completely different insulin.
Isn't all insulin aspart? They said it was the same.
One is white and one is transparent. How is that the same? The difference is pretty big. Different types of insulin have different time action profiles. According to their properties, insulin can be divided into quick, short, intermediate, and long-acting insulin. Pre-mixed insulin is two types of insulin mixed together.
I still don't really understand. What's the difference?
Insulin with different action profiles is used to produce different effects. Insulin is usually given 4 or 5 times a day, made up of basal and mealtime insulin. Rapid or short-acting insulin is injected before the 3 big meals and is called mealtime insulin. Intermediate or long-acting insulin is used at a fixed time daily to control overnight and pre-meal blood sugar and is called basal insulin. Now, Lila needs to take quick-acting insulin before his meal. However, pre-mixed insulin contains both mealtime and basal insulin, so it cannot replace either basal or mealtime insulin.
Good that you realized in time.
Well, applause for your knowledge of insulin preservation methods. You understand it so well. Temperatures lower than 0 degrees or higher than 25 degrees will cause the insulin to break down. Insulin that hasn't been opened yet should be kept in the refrigerator but avoid freezing. It can be stored until the expiration date on the box. Check if it has expired, leave it at room temperature for 30 minutes before use. No need to be stored in the refrigerator for the insulin you're using now. They can be stored at room temperature, no more than 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, for around 1 month. Make sure no direct sunlight and heat.
So much to remember. Headache.
Well, you've got me.
Why are you staring at me?
Come on, Lila. We've prepared the medicine. Let's do it.
Do it. Shall we change a place? Every time in the same place makes it numb.
Of course. Suitable parts for injection are the abdomen, the outer thigh, the upper arm, and the upper side of the buttocks. You should rotate to a different location each time.
Son, hang in there. Okay.
Also remember that 75% alcohol should be used for disinfecting the skin, not iodine or iodophor. After the initial injection, the needle needs to stay under the skin for at least 10 seconds. Finally, remember that the needle is for one-time use.
I know that much. Done.
Finally, time to eat.